What do you guys think? I think I'm going to unwrap this, and I bet the original scales are going to be underneath this tape. Leave a comment, see what you think. And while you're down there, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. There's lots of content on this channel, and there's lots of upcoming content. There you go, that's the stud for it. Alright, let's get the rest of that off and I'll be back. Well, I was right. Were you right? They're in pretty bad condition, but I think they're good enough to save. Or at least try to, anyway. I'm pretty sure this looks like the pins that should be in top here are not there. I'll see if I can get some more of those. But if you look, see it's very, really loose. So yeah, that's how the pins are the other side. They're pushed through, and then one goes inside this one. So see if I can safely drive those out, and we'll get some replacements. And it's a good job I did take it off though, because there's all this rust here. But yeah, we'll try and save those scales, I think. It gives it a nice aged look, I think. I'm going to keep it like that. I like that. That really is pretty cool. Well, that was just scraping the glue, but at least some of the character, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're going to keep it like that. And this one has some damage over here and here. As far as I'm concerned, they're war wounds, so we're going to keep that too. So I'm going to clean that up and be back in a second. I'll show you what that looked like. Alright, that's both sides scraped. I'm liking that look. I've cleaned it all with acetone so that the epoxy will get a good bond on there. So let's make these to the handle. They're not perfect, but they are factory handles, so this is exactly how it would come from the factory, which I'm okay with.